Hello everyone, this is Joanne from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Spaziale Dream Machine. Very interesting type of Spaziale. It does come with a screen and all that stuff, which is really cool. And it had came in for quite a few things, mainly that it was popping the GFCI, the steam boiler wasn't turning on, and also leaking from the boiler, which was the cause of the GFCI popping. So we went in there and we retightened the parts that were leaking, applying new coats of Loctite just to keep it sealed. While we're in there, the hose that is next to a lot of the valves that you replaced in there was damaged. So firstly, I want to say thank you for your patience with us. It's very hard sometimes to just constantly need a new part and wait on distribution centers to send them. So thank you again for your patience. But we replaced it with an entire new hose. I don't have the old hose, but it was very much damaged, unusable even. And so we have a brand new one. This is the hose that goes from the hot water tap to the steam boiler so that you could get hot water right through it every time you click the hot water button. Also, we diagnosed it originally without the relays, but we did replace the relays. The relays are back here, right under the drip tray, these two right here. I really only needed one, but we did replace both. You only paid for one, so don't worry about that. Just because easy use. And so we replaced both of them, applied new thermal paste to both of them just so they don't overheat on themselves. And then after that, we did a complete tune-up, descaling both boilers, cleaning the group head, and replacing the gasket and the bottom shower screen. I believe we replaced that. And so and I believe we replaced the water pump on this machine. I would have to double check on that. But yeah, so now we're ready to brew a shot, and we're going to get our test coffee. And this is a dual boiler machine, so you can use both of the sides at the same time. Don't worry if this shot runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate any of our grind to the machines. We just want to make sure water's coming out. And as you see, light screen, we have 201 on the brew boiler, and we have, I think it's 251 on the steam, which is really great. That means the steam boiler is not cold anymore, and I've tested this for about 2 days, making sure that that thing stayed on every time I turned on every time I clicked the button to go to warm it up. So you have it on 15 amp mode, and it does have, you did bring it in with a converter, which is good. So that means that the brew and the steam boiler take turns warming up, so it'll usually warm up the brew boiler first, then it'll jump to the steam. If you had it on 20 amp mode, it would do both. Yeah, so that's your shot right there. You would have to recalibrate it. But yeah, that's about it. Oh, we actually have to test the functions because I haven't. So for steam, it's water for the first couple seconds, and then you got a really good steam one on here. I personally own this Spaziale machine myself, and in love with these steam ones. And then the last one is the hot water. And as you can see, it'll only spew out a little bit and then it'll stop itself because it doesn't want that steam boiler getting too dry and the pump struggling to fill it up. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you have any, or if you like any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.